So today guys we're going to be looking at how to install Microsoft Office 2016. So the first thing you need to do is put the DVD into the drive, or more than likely it'll be an ISO that you'll be looking at. Just download the ISO, as you can see it's in the DVD drive there. Double click on it and then go down to setup, and then you'll get your standard UAC prompt. Click yes. You will now see the end user license agreement. Tick if you accept the agreement terms and click continue. You have two buttons. One is install now and one is customize. I'm just going to go through customize. So the initial tab is installation options. This is where you can remove certain applications within Office. You've also got file location, so you can choose where you want to have Office installed. And then the third tab is user information, so you can enter your full name and your organization and then click on next to install. And it's a fairly straightforward installation process. You'll need to make sure you have your product key handy as well for the next step. So as this takes a bit of time, I'm going to speed this part up and then I will be back with you in about 20 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. So that's the installation just finishing off now, and there we go. Thank you for installing Microsoft Office. You can continue online, but we're just going to close. So the next stage of the process is to put the product key in. So if you go down to the search box, type in Excel, left click on Excel, and the first box that will pop up is first things first, so it'll ask you to agree to install the updates for Office. Select this and then click accept. Here we go. Just click on blank workbook, go to file, go down to account, and then on the right hand side click on change product key. Just enter your Office product key and click continue, and then that'll register the product with Microsoft. Once you've done that, close it, close Excel down, and then what I do recommend is that you go to the notifications area, go to all settings, go to update and security, and do a check for updates for Office. Just keeps you covered if you're missing any critical patches, any security updates. Just protect you really from all the little nasties. So as you can see, there's no updates available, so close that off. Thanks for watching.